guys, to my new video. I'm fine. I hope you all are also fine. You might have heard about Bitcoins, the largest cryptocurrency in market capitalization. They have transformed people from moderate to high growth. Facts can provide you with better visuals. The value of Bitcoins was a mere 135.3 United States dollars during the year 2013. But with time and by 2021, they reached the 60,000 United States dollars mark. This development is nothing short of phenomenal. So are you too excited? Yes, you can really make it a reality. I will tell you step by step, so don't worry guys. Number 1 is your own research. According to recent data, you have 22,000 cryptocurrencies to trade. But before you enter into the crypto world, you need to do thorough research on it. Target a few cryptocurrencies and engage in thorough research and analysis on them. Things like studying the marketing trends and learning about the different cryptocurrency and the different strategies can be a part of your research. Crypto regulations and economic events are also a part of the research. The number 2 is create an account. Once you have decided that you are ready to invest in cryptocurrency, start creating an account. By this time, you have already researched the cryptocurrency exchange. Select from among it. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency exchange and comply with all the KYC standards to protect the user's data and assets. The number 3 is start small. Are you ready to start it big? Let us tell you that you must not be in a hurry. You must not use your life savings to buy cryptocurrency. You are new to this trading, and you must not take risks. You might have other investments like stocks, bonds, savings, a child's education, and medical expenses. Focus on them first. Remember, the cryptocurrency trading involves high risks and uncertainty, so you need to understand it and restrict yourself from aggressive trading. Trade less and gather the experience to minimize the risks. The number 4 is fear of missing out. Avoid it. You might know that cryptocurrency trading has become a worldwide practice. Almost everyone trades with it. According to a study by Statista, more than 30% of investors aged between 18 and 29 invest in cryptocurrency. These are indeed exciting figures. Day trading has indeed become one of the big trends with cryptocurrency. They are similar to cryptocurrency, but beware of FOMO, as it is the quickest way to lose your investments. The number 5 is diversify your investment portfolio. You might have heard the old saying, do not keep all your eggs in one basket. This is what you need to do with cryptocurrency. You might think that investing all your money in the largest cryptocurrency and you can grow fast, but in case of a fall in cryptocurrency value, you might end up losing all your money. Why don't you diversify your portfolio of investments? Invest in the alt currencies. There are hundreds and thousands of cryptocurrencies where you can invest. Consider them and make your investment safe and secure. Thanks for watching my video. Hope we will meet on new video. Goodbye everyone.